So hello adventurers and welcome to the club. Well, as humans we can't really see that well in the dark, so I have made a new lantern. I haven't done one in a while, so let's improvise a little candle lantern. First of all, you need a bean can or some similar size of can. This was dinner together with a nice steak last evening. Get rid of the paper. If you're outside, keep the paper. It's an excellent fire starter. Then we take our work surface here. And the next thing you want to do is to bend the lid like this, so it can be hung from the ceiling. And since we want the light to be able to come out, we now make a window in the front. Just like this. You can take a knife or something like this. I'm just taking this tool here. And like there. Punch our way till we are down. Just like this. You can obviously leave your indoors. Just use a Dremel or angle grinder to make a perfect cut. But I want to show you how you can do it even with the most minimal of tools. We have to go all around here. To make life easier, I'm now going in with the tin snips. So, I have now cut out the window, and now I'm just bending one layer of the tin can inwards, and then after I have bent it inwards, I'm clamping it down with the pliers so we have a smooth edge here. That's not cutting ourselves. So now with all the edges smooth, we tie a string to the top. A wire would even be better, because this will get hot, but for now a string shall do, because I don't have a wire handle. Make a double knot. Like this, and you can tie it to something, or just make a round loop, which is even more practical. So this is how it is tied on there. And now we just add a transparency. This is just a bit of packaging plastic, and we just put it in here like this. We can always just twist it so we can put the candle in, which is a large tea light candle, because it's just sitting better in there. You can always use the small ones if you like, but I think it's okay like this. And then you can just grab in here and turn it. We have a good working little lantern for a campsite, tent, or even to walk around with, because it gives off a good amount of light. Not so easy to blow out. Yeah, I think she turned out really nice, and it's like a 5-minute DIY. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I see you next time here at the Adventurers Club. And if you have enjoyed this video, there are more like this on my channel, so just click on the channel icon and scroll around a bit. See you there.